A university is a place for learning. People go there to study many things. They learn science, art, history, and more. A university is bigger than a college. It has many more classes. A university also gives special degrees, like master's or doctorate. Many people work at universities. Teachers give lessons, and students learn. A university helps people get ready for jobs. Universities can teach many subjects. Students can study to be doctors, engineers, or writers. Some learn art or music. A university gives knowledge to students. It also helps them think better. They can ask questions and find answers. Universities are important for the world. They make new ideas. They help people grow. They give students skills to help others. The first universities began a long time ago. They were places where people came to learn. These schools were open to many students. Early universities taught religion and other subjects. They were for students from many areas. These schools helped people become smart. The first famous university was in Bologna, Italy. It was a school for law. Students from all over Europe came to study there. Another early university was in Paris, France. It taught theology. Theology means learning about God and faith. It became very popular. Students and teachers worked together at these schools. They shared ideas and helped each other. They elected leaders to guide the school. Universities in old times had no big buildings. Teachers and students met in simple places. They moved to new towns if needed. The University of Oxford started later. It was famous for teaching many things. Students studied writing, math, and more. In the 1200s, students from Oxford moved to Cambridge. They started another school there. It became the University of Cambridge. Universities were important in Europe. They taught many students. They made knowledge grow. This is how universities began in history. Universities spread to the Americas later. The first ones were built by Spanish settlers. They brought their ideas about learning to new lands. The University of Santo Domingo was the first. It started in 1538. It is in what we now call the Dominican Republic. Another early university was in Mexico. It started in 1539. These schools were built to teach religion, science, and other subjects. In the U.S., the first university was Harvard. It started in 1636. Students there learned religion and other basic subjects. Later, more universities opened. Yale began in 1701, and Princeton started in 1746. These schools became very important for learning. Many colleges were built as people moved west. These schools gave people chances to learn. They helped new towns grow. In 1862, a law called the Morrill Act helped schools grow. It gave land to build colleges for farming and engineering. These colleges were called land-grant schools. Many became big universities. Examples are MIT and Cornell University. These schools mixed learning and work. They taught skills for jobs like farming, science, and building. They helped many people. In the 19th century, universities changed a lot. They became more modern. They taught new ideas and allowed more people to study. Many universities became secular. This means they stopped focusing on religion. They started teaching science and other useful subjects. Women could now go to universities. Before, only men could study there. This was a big change in learning and society. New subjects like physics, biology, and engineering were added. Students now had more choices to study what they liked. Universities also focused on research. Teachers and students worked together to find new ideas. This made learning more exciting. Many universities became public. This means they got money from the government. This helped many people afford to study. In countries like Italy and France, universities became state-run. They were controlled by the government. This made them more organized. Universities in the 19th century were open to many people. This helped students from different places learn and grow. These changes made universities better. They became places where new ideas started. This helped the world move forward. Modern universities are very big. They teach many students from all over the world. Some have over 30,000 students. These schools teach many subjects. Students can learn about arts, science, math, and history. They also teach about technology and business. Universities now have many buildings. There are classrooms, libraries, labs, and dorms. Students live and study on campus. Some universities are online. Students do not have to travel. They use computers to join classes and learn from home. These online schools are called virtual universities. They help people who cannot go to a campus. They teach both young and old students. Modern universities focus on research. They make new medicines, tools, and ideas. They help solve big problems in the world. Universities help people learn new ideas. They teach students how to think better. This helps students find answers to big questions. They are places for research. Students and teachers work together. They study problems and try to solve them. This helps everyone. Universities also help create jobs. They teach skills that are needed in many fields, like medicine, engineering, and teaching. Universities help cities and countries grow. They make new ideas and help people. They bring students from all over the world. Some students start new businesses after they study. These businesses help create jobs and solve problems for people. Universities also give cultural knowledge. They teach art, music, and history. They help people understand different cultures better. Universities have changed over time. They started small, but now they are big and important. They help people learn and grow. These schools are more than places for study. They make new ideas and solve problems. They give people the skills they need for work. Universities bring people together. Students from all over the world meet and share ideas. This helps create a better, peaceful world. They help students dream big. A university shows people how to build a better future. This is why they are so important. Universities give hope to the world. They help people find answers to big questions. They give students a chance to make a difference. Learning at a university can change lives. It makes students stronger, smarter, and ready for the future. It is a path to success